I like how it's nice and quiet for a two-stroke. It's because the exhaust pipe goes into the base, and the base has a portion of like a muffler because the actual opening on the base for the exhaust is on the right hand side, the rear, so nice and quiet. Okay, I'll get my impact driver and an extension. You see how noisy it is if I just remove the pipe from the base. So you can really hear the difference of how that muffler works. Now it sounds like an old two-stroke scooter with a blown exhaust. I'll put it back now because it's noisy. And this is just idle. So that muffler design is really good. Really damp, makes it sound really nice and quiet. Thanks for watching.